Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apple Pay on Mac. Pro tips step by step clearly. To set up Apple Pay on your Mac, first, ensure you're using macOS Sierra or later. Make sure your Mac has Touch ID. If your Mac doesn't have Touch ID, you will need to use your paired iPhone or Apple Watch for authentication. Next, open the System Preferences by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner. In the System Preferences window, select Wallet and Apple Pay. If prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Now, click on Add Card to start adding your payment method. You can either use the camera to capture your card details or enter them manually. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card with your bank. Once your card is verified, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. Your card will then be added to Wallet. If you want to set your card as the default payment method, select it from the list and click Default Card. To use Apple Pay, when you're ready to pay, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. If using Touch ID, place your finger on the sensor to authenticate. If you're using an iPhone or Apple Watch, a prompt will appear to confirm the payment. Once authenticated, your payment will process, and you'll receive a confirmation. For added security, adjust any additional settings under Wallet and Apple Pay as needed. That's it, you're now ready to use Apple Pay on your Mac with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.